Hey everybody, this is Don from the Starcraft RV Rally Company and Jayco Owners Rallies. I need to apologize in advance as this video only contains images and no video. Back when this rally was held in 2023, it was the very first Jayco Owners Rally, and I never expected this to grow as big as it has, so I had just captured images and never thought about video. But before we can go on with the video, I need you to do me the old favorite. Click like and subscribe so we can grow this page and we can show Jayco there's a need for this, and we can hold more rallies throughout the United States, including you on the West Coast. So, thank you for watching,